Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will see how do we migrate Tele ERP9 data to Tele Prime. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, so let's see how do we do it. Let me open Tele Prime first. We have also seen how do we install Tele Prime, how to specify data path. Now it's matter of migrating the data, your existing data in short. So again, I'll click on continue in educational mode, and by default, it will take the earlier path. Now I want to change it. It's very simple. I'll go to select from drive, C drive, Tele ERP9. I can also type it, okay, and then data folder. So all my companies, I can view it over here. Now if you see whether the migration is done or not, now Tele Prime has come up with such a beautiful thing that it also shows you whether the migration is required. That means this particular companies are still not migrated to Tele Prime. It has to be migrated from Tele ERP9 to Tele Prime. In that case, you are being given this particular options. It is being highlighted. So for an example, if I want to migrate the first option, first company, so I'll just press enter on this. It will ask you migration will make the company data compatible with this particular release, that is your Tele Prime. Backup company data, if you want to take backup, okay, so by default it will be yes. Backup, where you want to save that backup. Okay, so if you want to change anything, you can just click on configure. If I double click on this, that means I don't want backup. Okay, so the moment I press enter, it will give me an option whether I want to take a backup or not. Okay, so I'll say backup, but it is recommended to take a backup before migrating. So backup company data before migration, I'll make this option to yes. I want to change the path. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take it in D drive and I'll press enter. Okay, so my backup will happen in D drive. Now I'll press escape. Now if you see, the things have been changed. So backup destination path is in D drive. Backup before migration is yes, and then I'll just click on migrate. Please note that backup is very much required before migration. So so that in case if there is any changes which may take place in your bank records, any kind of reports, you can always revert back. So it is always recommended to take a data backup, right? So this is how the gateway of Tally will look like. Now if I want to shut this company, I'll go to company on the left hand side. I'll click on shut, press enter. Okay, again I'll go to specify, select it from my drive, that is C drive, Tele ERP9 data. Now if you see over here, the first company which I have migrated, now it is already on Tele Prime. How do I know that? Because if you see over here, the migration required which was showing is not highlighting now. Okay, now if I press enter on it, it will directly open the company. But if you see my rest of the companies, there still that migration required option will be shown. So if I want to migrate my second company, I'll just press enter on this. Again, you need to configure this. So I'll click on configure. Okay, backup, I'll take this. Okay, hit this. I want it in D drive. So I'll just say D drive and press enter. And I'll say escape. And then I'll click on migrate. I'm sure migration from Tele ERP9 to Tele Prime is very simple. It's just a matter of selecting your path, and that's it. Okay, hope you have liked this particular video.